Alright guys, welcome back to another trading recap video. Now if you remember last week we said Chill Guy was going to be our crypto gem of the week, and true to our word, here on the 31st we called it, and right now we are looking at a 50% move. So we called it around here, you guys. And what we said was we needed to wait for the RSI, okay, to get to the oversold position, oversold position, sorry. And so it did that here on December 31st. We did here December 31st, as you can see. This was almost pinpoint accurate. Doesn't happen all the time, but here we called it 31st December, and now we are up about 50%. So that is Chill Guy, our trade of the week. A very successful trade. I hope you guys caught this one, and if not, stay tuned. We're gonna have more predictions for you in the future. Now fartcoin was one that we did about 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago around here we called fartcoin as a short. Now today fartcoin broke this top here and has made new highs. Remember, our analysis is that it has a very large market cap. Fartcoin has a large market cap. So what that means, usually we can expect a retracement, and if it does, probably it will probably close out this gap here. And if it does close out this gap here, that gives us about a 1 to 3 reward ratio. So let's have a look at our last call. During our last call up here, we got a pretty decent down move all the way here. Now today again we have hit a top very high, and we are going to be looking for another short back down to these levels here for fartcoin. And also last week, sorry, on the 31st we talked about AGLD for a short. This one also worked out very beautifully for us. Our AGLD short last week, we called it around up here. No, actually we called it around down here. We said watch out for the trap. Hopefully none of you got trapped, because we called it around this area. We said, watch out for something that goes like this and then like that. We got exactly that. It was so beautiful, you guys. I don't know what to tell you, but again, we are getting the exact same pattern going up here, creating maybe what might look like a bull flag. And if it does, another push up to this side. But 3.2 here, this level, if there are enough shorts in this level, we are good for another short. So if you want to know when this might happen, the only thing you have to do is wait for the RSI to be on this level here. You can see, every time it breaks up here, it gets a short retracement, right? So now this one here was a little bit deeper, but also very slow. So if it comes back up here to this level, we are going to short, no questions asked. And if we are wrong, we're just going to take our losses and go on to the next trade. Okay, always make sure you have a stop loss. That is what we always teach you here for free on YouTube. No other channels, no Discord, nothing paid, completely free. And if with this completely free content, and you don't really want to still learn to do it the right way, it's very difficult for anybody, in my opinion, to try to help you. So once again, here, picture perfect, tap the RSI, got all these stop losses, boom, and another big move to the downside. Now, that is our recap for this week. Now, another short that I'm very interested in, and this might take a while to play out, is actually SUI. Now, SUI has been on an absolute tear. Very difficult to time this one. We're going to see if there is anything that we are able to find here. So as you can see, once again, SUI already broke the 70 RSI. Very deep in. Now, not only did it break, it broke but price continued to go up, creating a divergence. Now we like divergences, we like divergences. Every time we see a big enough divergence, it's always played out very well for us. You can see perhaps here we have a divergence here, right? Here you can see this divergence here played out super perfectly, super well. Hopefully, will we get another one? Well, let's just say we did actually already get another one, which was here, and this one did not work. There was just way too much buying pressure. There was just way too much buying pressure on SUI. SUI is just simply on the tear. You can see, look at all this huge buying volume. Huge buying volume. And when there is enough buying volume, you know that people want to cash out their coin. And if they do, we might get down here. If we get down here, that's about a 20%. 20% return. Now, assuming you are using 10x leverage, this is the Binance platform. Link is in the description below. If you want to trade on Bybit, sorry, this is the Bybit platform. Link in description below if you want to trade on Bybit. So we can see here a huge green volume spike leading to a very small downtrend. Now we have two big green volume spikes, and there is a pattern of big volume spikes which lead to a downtrend. You can always see here as well. This happened here as well. Look at this huge volume spikes. Huge volume spikes, right? So this may be just stop losses, so many stop losses getting taken out, and then price comes back down a little bit. So guys, what do you think of SUI? I think SUI is a very interesting short. I think that it is very hyper extended. Of course, you can wait if you want. It's always a good idea to be more conservative. However, on the weekly channel, you can see right now on the weekly, it is above already the 70 RSI. So you can see here what happened the last time. It was a multi-month downtrend. So will this continue another multi-month downtrend? I think that it might eventually, maybe not next month, but definitely will be looking for SUI downtrend in the very near future. Okay, guys, I hope you got something out of this crypto trading strategy week. What do you think? What is your preferred coin to be trading this week? Now, last week, gem of the week, Chill Guy really just did us so well. It did us so well, gem of the week last month. So last week, sorry. So guys, see you in the next video. Trade safe out there. Always be very careful with your money, okay?